Welcome back to my channel. This video I am going to show you if you accidentally delete an app, don't worry, you can easily get it back. So let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, open the Google Play Store app and make sure your phone is logged into your current Google account. Then tap on your profile icon top right corner. Here scroll through the page, find the manage apps and device option, click to open it. Then go to the manage section at the very top. After that, tap on the this device option. You can select not install, and here you can see all of the previously deleted apps listed there. For example, I am recovered this Echo weather app my phone again. Simply check mark the boxes, hit the install or download icon top of the page and wait to complete the process. That's it guys, how you can easily recover deleted apps on your phone. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel. Possible to like this video, share it with your friend. Take care.